Hello everyone. Thank you for joining the PM Insights YouTube channel. So this is second video of the series. The series is what the project manager actually do on their day-to-day lives. So in this video, we'll talk about like type of meetings for product managers have in weekly, monthly basis. So let's take a deep dive into it. So let's discuss about the different type of meetings you will have as a product manager. So I have categorized them into company meetings, product team meetings, engineering team meetings, cross-functional team meetings, one-on-one meetings, and project meetings. So these are the meetings you probably have on your day-to-day lives. But let's first understand the role of a product manager. So the role is overseeing the product development with collaboration with the various teams, and also the strategic planning is also part of your role. So to get this role, you have to do meetings effectively, so that will ensure the alignment, communication, and effective project management. So the basically, if you want to success on your role, you have to do meeting very carefully and effectively to get success on your role. So first, let's start with the company meetings. There are three types of meetings that are particularly relevant with the product management. Okay, so first is the town hall meetings, which is happens once in a quarter. This is like company-wide gathering where the leaders come, including like product leaders. We have to discuss about like high-level updates, strategies that can impact your product. With this town hall meeting, we also have like Q&A session. These are like opportunities where you can ask leaders about, or the product leaders about the question directly you have with your products. You can ask about the competitors, you can ask about any topic you might not frequently get to discuss with them. So this is Q&A meeting. And lastly, we have like company kickoff meetings. It happens every year at the start of the financial year. So in this meeting, we set product direction and strategy for a whole year. So these are the company meetings. Okay, so next, let's talk about one-on-ones. These are essential for regular and focused discussion with the key individual you work closely with. I have a weekly one-on-one with the managers and product designers, and I have bi-weekly one-on-one with the engineering team manager. I also have monthly one-on-ones with the design directors and various product managers whose work is like interconnected or closely aligned with mine. So these meetings basically help me to keep everyone aligned and address any immediate issues or updates we have. So this will help us to stay in and understand the ground reality. So these are the one-on-one. Now let's talk about the engineering team meetings. The basically engineering team meetings include the Scrum team and development team meetings. Okay, so these teams are responsible for actual coding, building, and maintaining products. We have like a sprint planning every 2 weeks to outline the task for the next sprint. What are we actually do in our next sprint? We daily have like stand-up meetings. It's 20 minutes quick meeting where we address the blockers that we faced yesterday. And we also have like bi-weekly retrospective meeting to reflect on the past sprints and celebrate success. And if the blockers we have in a past sprint, we can improve ourselves. With engineering team, I also have like kickoff meetings. These meetings happens when like there is a new product initiative we have, or we have to do a significant feature changes. So this meeting, the kickoff meetings, is usually ensure that everyone understands the scope, timelines, and product involvement within the team. So these are the engineering team meetings we have. So for product meetings, I don't have any fixed time for this meeting. However, we do have a quarterly roadmap presentation as a part of planning process, where we present our roadmap for the next 6 to 9 months. Additionally, we hold like product town hall to focus on product team updates. customer insights, and progress on various initiatives. We also, as a part of our product meetings, we also manage ad hoc meetings where we understand the customers by taking their goals, and we implement that changes we needed according to the customer feedback to our roadmaps. And this meeting is usually for a strategic decision or discussion, and occurs as needed. There is no any fixed time for this meeting. We do it as we needed. Basically, its aim is to address the specific issues and opportunities we can implement in our product. So these are the product meetings we have. So the project meetings are for a significant long-term initiative involving multiple teams and stakeholders. These meetings ensure that everyone is on the same page, share updates, and facilitate collaboration. So these meetings, we call it like project meetings. Now let's discuss cross-functional meetings. This involves working with various departments across the company. These meetings are often like ad hoc meetings, which is also include like discussions with the marketing team, with the product translation team, with the product security team to discuss about the security of a product. Technical writers, where their main work is to uh, manage the documentation of the product. Customer support team, and sales and research team. So this meeting help to ensure that the all aspect of a product are aligned with your product, and the necessary support and feedback if you need, you can get it, and you can integrate that support into your development process. So this is like cross-functional meeting. So for this, let me give you some tips with the meeting management, because as you know, the major part of your job is like conducting meetings and flowing the data and thoughts throughout the product management life cycle. So my first tip is calendar blocking. This is like reserve time for some of your focus work, you give your time to your work and understand the product strategy on this time. And as a product manager, it's crucial to balance like staying informed with having enough time to focus on strategic work. And saying no to the meetings is also crucial, because uh, where you can add value, you probably avoid those meetings, and maintaining this balance is also necessary in terms of like meeting management. So those are some of the tips I have. Thank you for watching the PM Insights video. We'll see you in next one.